get it right. Trying to find some balance in my life. I never really put up a fight, and now I'm losing sleep. What if I lost touch? What if I'll never get it right? I try to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow. Wish that someone could say it'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say. Listen to me as I slow it down. Dreams still yours if you want it. Enjoy the ride, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth it.
So yenza le ye. This is red. Le it's a red mara ine glitter phakathi. Unless if you don't mind. So between these two, you're married la.
Okay, this is not red anymore, ne?
Nah.
Okay, for my toes. Okay, yeah, so that's for my hands. For my toes. People mostly do white on their toes. I've never done white.
Yeah, they do white. If
I
you
always
like
feel
it.
I like.
So if you change at this time.
That's why I'm also trying red for the first time.
Okay. So can you do one? You said it's too bright again, so.
Pink is calm.
Yeah.
Really? Black and finish of a movie. Please, I do lambi. I haven't eaten since morning.
I will go say you can 5 roses.
It's fine.
And it
Yeah,
is.
with you.
And it is.
Black.
And it is. Okay. Sugar.
Yes, please.
And
Obviously, I can't see.
You never feel the way I feel. You don't know if my love is real. Baby, listen to me, here's the deal. When you're not here, I'm not the same. I'm needing a new chapter, babe. Been stuck here in a bed for days. I've been staring at the telephone, 'cause when you're gone, I miss your face. 8 o'clock, body talk. There's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wrecking ball, tear apart. Issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better. Hey, bring it right back to me, baby. No, we've been here before. Give me the real this time, no cap, no lies, it's our own core. Bring it right back to me, baby. I know my heart wants more. Give me the good this time, no cap, no lies, it's our own core. I never wanna give you up. I know we've been through way too much, but I'm confident we'll make it through. I'm here for you, you're not by yourself. 8 o'clock, body talk. There's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wrecking ball, tear apart. Issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say.
Guys, I have never done this red in my life. It's scary just thinking about it. I don't know. I'm just gonna get used to these nails. Already the ladies at the salon were like, "Oh, these are so pretty." Like, even customers. But now I'm just like, okay, let me go home. Hopefully I would have gotten used to this color by tomorrow, and the length as well. I look cute. I'm going to get my hair done. So guys, help me out here. I've been vlogging since last week, I think. And I've been vlogging since Tuesday. I vlogged on Monday, I vlogged on Wednesday. I vlogged yesterday, which was Thursday. Today's Friday. I'm gonna vlog tomorrow. So I'm thinking, let me start this vlog and make it separate from my weekly vlog. Like, let me let this be a maintenance vlog. So when I went to get my nails done yesterday, now I'm going to go get my hair done. Let me make it a separate vlog. That way the weekly vlog is not too long, because you guys know by now that I don't like long vlogs. I want to zone out when I'm watching people's videos, so I don't want you guys to zone out when you're watching my videos. Hence I'm thinking, let me separate. Here I didn't even make an appointment. Izolo I called for Shini because I have a voucher. For Shini sent me a voucher. Yeah, so I called Candi&Co. I can come through. They told me how much the braids are. Then I have a voucher, so I will definitely pay less. So now the issue is I forgot to make an appointment. So let me charge my camera's battery, call them, make an appointment for 10:30. I can leave here at 10.
You're gone now. Will you coming back? Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind. It's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart. I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your end destination. You're far away and yet so close. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, you're up in space. You're inside the noise. I can feel you. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart. I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your end destination. You're gone now. Oh, you're coming back. Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind. It's a known fact. Yeah, I know that.
I think I'm covering. If I get inside, I can understand what's inside.
I understood what you said.
And it's also tight,
Why are you
yeah.
not faking it inside?
No, because you wanted to show me the video, so I was waiting to see the video.
I'm gonna network can be terrible, yeah.
I was gonna
And
take it out and try it inside.
You know the Foshini network expired veg.
and ilona bathi into mayeka so yabona ngithanda ukuthi ngeke ibe sidudla angithandi
Yeah, it was.
ekhumalayo and it's nice and tight. That's what I like.
Alice, you must do.
Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find, I'm standing right here. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till
my hair. This is my hair. I'm terrible at laying edges. I tried, but it's terrible. So I got my braids done. Is all alright at Foschini, Candi&Co. The Foschini in 4 ways has a Candi&Co inside. So this is what happened. I'm okay with my hair. I'm not the happiest person alive, but I'm okay with it. Yeah. So to give you an update of what happened is that the day when I was getting my nails done, which are really pretty by the way, I called Foschini because earlier in the week Foschini sent me a voucher, and funny enough this morning they also sent me another voucher. I'm like, okay, it's my birthday week for sure. So early in the week Foschini sent me a voucher. So I was like, I want these cornrows. I did them last year and I want them exactly like that. Let me just go back to the same place where I got them done. I won't have to explain. I'll just show them a picture. They'll either do them the same way or similar, you know. So when I was getting my nails done, I called Foschini to confirm the price because I didn't know if I can include a wash. My hair was not really that dirty, but I just wanted the product built up from this week to not be there when I'm getting my hair done. Then sharp. So I forgot to make an appointment. Then yesterday morning I was like to myself, let me hurry up and go there early in the morning. I go there at 10. They're like, it's fine, they're gonna do my hair, it's okay. I tell them that I'm just washing and I want 8 lines. Finally, this is 10 lines, but I really just wanted 8. Then, mid washing my hair, the lady tells me that they don't have color 1, black. They have color 2. I think the last time I used color 2, I'm not sure anymore. But I was really chilled about it. And then, I'm like, it's fine, we'll do like half a line, use color 2, see if color 2 works. Great. As we use lower color 2, half the first line, this one, the middle one, I was like, no, I will make sure, let's change it. She unplates, and then sninini, so no color 1. Because I was even ready to like get my hair done. Also, I even asked her, like, I'm sure we can buy a hairpiece liner if always mall, you know. Then, they're not moisturizing my hair. So I tell her that, number 1, my hair dries quickly. So you don't towel my hair after washing it. You can just wrap a towel around it, but you'll have to use a spray bottle because I'm not going to use a hair dryer. I haven't used it in 2 years. I don't mind using it now, but I was not mentally prepared to use it. So then they're not moisturizing my hair. She's just spraying leave-in conditioner. So I parted my hair in the middle. This side I made 2 ponytails and twists. I think you guys saw in the video. Then she's not moisturizing my hair, guys. She just tells me that they're going to use a leave-in conditioner from Mizani. I'm like, just leave-in conditioner, sweetie. I'm going to be having this for probably 3 weeks, maybe 2 weeks. If we don't moisturize my hair, it's gonna be dry. Of course, I'll be moisturizing my scalp, but my hair's gonna be dry. Morgel was like, they don't have a moisturizer. I was like, oh my goodness. I'll rather, since I'll go color 1, there's no moisturizer, it's fine. I'll go get my hair done elsewhere. I'll pay for shit. I'm just gonna pay for the wash that I had done. Then it's Ninini. There's now color 1, guys. You know those extra hair pieces? There's enough to braid. Sharp. Nah, Ninini. They look for the Mizani products. They find a Mizani cream. I have it. I once used it. I think I even did a video with it, but I don't have it anymore. I gave it to my mom. And then I'm like, oil, because we gotta moisturize, because it's a cream. It's not a shea butter. We're gonna need an oil. They find an oil. We apply oil. Sharp. I end up doing it. I don't know if I was vlogging that part, but yeah, I ended up doing it myself, applying the product, because I really wanted my hair to be moisturized. She does the second line, guys. It was just not nice. It was too thick. It was not, no man, it was just not nice, and it was not neat. So I asked her, no, I don't want it, let's not do that. Then she said, oh, okay, sharp. So that was the second line removed. Then there was a girl who works there doing someone else's hair. She was doing braids. She finishes quickly. No, she doesn't finish quickly. Well, the braid that she was doing, she comes back, she's like, let me try 1 line. Hers was nice. It's called in-plating, where you hide the hair piece or your hair underneath. You don't plait outwards, so it's in-plating. Her line was neat. They showed me at the back. The only problem was at the back, the lines were not straight, so I couldn't see. So when they put them in, I'm like, this is not straight, guys. Let's undo the line. At this point, I was like, guys, I don't want to waste anyone's time. I was specific with what I want. I always want 8 lines, gaps in the middle of the lines, that way my scalp can breathe, my hair can breathe. And then That's all I want. And if you guys can't do it, it's okay. I don't want to waste your time. I don't want to waste my time. I'll just pay for the washing hand. Then now the fourth line gets done by another lady who was now waiting for a customer who was not there yet. She was like, let me try it. She's the one who ended up doing my hair. Her line was beautiful. And she even had to reopen the lines because the lines were not straight. And the lady who was doing it for the first time, she actually applied a gel in between to help open straight lines, but still they were not straight. The lady who finally did my hair, she has natural hair. So she was understanding. She was like, oh, why was this not done? Why was this? And I was like, of course, yeah. I was so tired at that point. And then I think 30 minutes in, when she was halfway, her client came. Her client was so nice. She was like, no, let me get a treatment as I'm treating my hair. She can finish you off. She finally did. And I think I like my hair though. I'm just okay with it. But last year it was just done nicely. It was the same for Sheenie. I just don't remember the lady who did my hair last time. I was even showing them the videos of when I did it last year. Look at how neat this was. And the lady braided my hair in shrinkage and she kept spraying water and leave-in conditioner to help keep it soft and moisturized, you know. And that's why I went back to Sheenie, to make sure that my hair still is nice. Thank you so much for watching my maintenance vlog. I think I could go get my brows threaded. I was supposed to do that when I was getting my nails done, but being sad because I've never threaded my brows, I was like, on my birthday today is not the day to be having funny eyebrows. So maybe I'll buy a razor and do it myself because I have done it myself before. But yeah. Thank you so much for watching my video and listening to my quick story time. I think I'll just stick to going to salons that know about natural hair or understand. Or people should just say, I've never worked with natural hair that's not blow dried, because she kept saying no, it's not neat because that's blow dry. And I'm like, sis, before without blow drying, but it was neat. But they were nice. So at some point I also try to be calm as I tell them, but I didn't want to be the person who lives there with the snacks hairstyle, then I cry with my friends. No, I can't be ugly. And I had the chance to speak, but I did not. Anyways, thank you for watching my video. I love you guys. Yeah, I'll keep this style for like 2-3 weeks and then I remove it.